Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you live from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio, Texas. Tonight, we're going to be making you a fun shot. We're going to be making a white gummy bear shot. Okay guys, for tonight's ingredients, we're going to be using a cherry vodka. You guys can use any cherry vodka you want. Then we're going to follow that by Peach Tree, which is a peach schnapps. We're also going to be using pineapple and Sprite, which are on the gun. I can't put those on the counter. These are ingredients for the drink tonight, guys. Let's get started making that shot. All right, guys, now to make this shot, you're going to grab your tin, put some ice in it. All right, first ingredient, cherry vodka. We're going to put a ½ ounce. Okay. Second ingredient, peach schnapps. You're going to do ½ ounce. Okay. Now we're going to put ½ ounce of pineapple. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to shake this up real good. Bring over your shot glass. Break that free. Take your strainer. You pour this in your shot glass. It's freaking delicious. We're going to splash a little bit of Sprite. Make sure to get it all over the mat. It helps a lot. So there we have that one. That's your white gummy bear shot. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to make you guys a white gummy bear drink. So this is fun to do at home. You want to take your glass, fill it up with ice. Okay, now we have our full glass. Now you're going to want to do 1 ounce of cherry vodka. You're going to want to do 3/4 of an ounce of peach. You're going to want to do 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple. And then splash Sprite right on the top. And of course, white gummy bear drink wouldn't be complete without white gummy bears. So maybe put these all around the top there. Just remember they're in there. You don't want to choke on them as you're drinking. Grab your straw. There you go. Now there, guys, is your white gummy bear shot and your white gummy bear drink. Both of these are available at Zombies. You guys come on in. We'd love to make them for you. And these are your drinks. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed making the white gummy bear shot and our white gummy bear drink. Next time you guys come into the bar, I'd love to make one for you. Until our next drink, I'll see you then.